Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic, the 5 pillars of Islam. These pillars aren't just random rules, you know? They're like the foundation of a super strong, beautiful building. Each pillar represents a key practice that helps Muslims live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. So, buckle up, because we're about to break down each pillar and see what it's all about. Okay, first up is Shahada. It's like the welcome sign, the front door to understanding Islam. Basically, it's believing and saying with your whole heart, there's only one God, and that's Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger. It's about surrendering to something bigger than yourself, acknowledging that there's a divine plan, and trusting in it. Think of it like this. You're saying yes to a life guided by faith, compassion, and purpose. Deep, right? Next, we've got Salah, which is the practice of praying 5 times a day. Now, before you picture us striking a pose every 5 seconds, it's not like that. It's more like hitting pause on the day 5 times to connect with Allah. Imagine it like checking in with your bestie, but instead of gossip, it's gratitude, reflection, and asking for guidance. It's a chance to step away from the craziness of life and find some inner peace. Chapter 3. Zakat, sharing is caring, people. Now let's talk about Zakat, one of the 5 pillars of Islam. This pillar is all about sharing the wealth. It's a mandatory act of charity, where Muslims give a portion of their savings to those less fortunate. It's like that warm, fuzzy feeling you get when you do something nice for someone else, but amplified. Imagine the joy of knowing your contribution can change someone's life. In Islam, we believe in giving a portion of our wealth to those in need. This isn't just a one-time thing. It's an ongoing commitment to social justice. It's a reminder that we're all connected, and by helping each other, we create a more just and compassionate world. When we give, we not only help others, but also purify our own wealth. Plus, who doesn't love a good karma boost, am I right? The act of giving brings happiness to both the giver and the receiver, creating a cycle of positivity and goodwill. Chapter 4. Sawm, fasting. It's not just about skipping lunch. Fasting during Ramadan is the next pillar, and no, it's not just about skipping lunch, although that's definitely part of it. During this holy month, Muslims abstain from food and drink from dawn till dusk. It's like hitting the reset button on your body and soul. It's a time for self-reflection, spiritual growth, and remembering those who are less fortunate. Plus, that first sip of water after sunset, pure magic. Chapter 5. Hajj, the ultimate journey of a lifetime. Last but not least, we have Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. This sacred journey is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, a duty that every Muslim must undertake at least once in their lifetime if they are able. Picture this, millions of Muslims from all walks of life coming together in unity and peace. They travel from every corner of the globe, speaking different languages and bringing with them diverse cultures and traditions. It's a powerful reminder that no matter our differences, we're all united under one God. The sense of brotherhood and sisterhood is palpable, as everyone stands shoulder to shoulder in prayer. It's a journey of a lifetime, a chance to deepen your faith, connect with your roots, and experience a sense of community like no other. The rituals performed during Hajj, such as tawaf and standing at Mount Arafat, are deeply symbolic and spiritually uplifting. Talk about an epic adventure! The memories and spiritual growth from this pilgrimage stay with you forever, making it truly the ultimate journey of a lifetime. Outro, thanks for joining the journey. We hope you found this exploration of the 5 pillars of Islam both enlightening and inspiring. So there you have it, the 5 pillars of Islam. These pillars form the foundation of a Muslim's faith and practice. They're not just rules, they're a roadmap to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Each pillar offers a unique way to connect with the divine and with the community. Remember, this was just a quick overview, so keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep the conversation going. Dive deeper into each pillar to understand its significance and how it can enrich your life. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Your support helps us create more content that educates and inspires. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us tailor our content to your interests and needs.